I can stay, think I can stay.
Hey guys, what's up? Good evening, almost good night. As I was prepping for bed, I thought, you know what, let me just start a new vlog because tomorrow is a super special day. It's my friend Komul's wedding and I'm so excited for Komul and Sorabh. Congratulations on your wedding day, and I'm so fortunate to still be a part of the day even though I wasn't able to travel. She was so sweet and she sent me my bridesmaid outfit, my jewelry, a cute mug, which is actually over there, so I'll show you at least those two items. The jewelry I'll show you once I put it on tomorrow, but I have the outfit over there hanging, and I thought since I've steamed it and it's ready to go, let me just have you take a look at it, and then tomorrow when it's nice and bright I can show you the full outfit, all the glitz and glamour, and how we're going to celebrate a wedding virtually. As you can see, the lighting isn't the best right now, but the color is so stunning. It's this like peacock blue color. You have this very pretty floral tropical dupatta, and these gold baubles are so stunning, and there's such a nice weight to this dupatta. It's beautiful. And then before my camera dies, because I know it will, ow! Oh boy. Okay, so that was my outfit for tomorrow. I'm gonna head to bed. I'm clearly dysfunctional right now. I have to be up at an ungodly hour of 5 a.m. so I need my rest. So I am quite alert, but I have Kobe here, so let me just show you. Come here, Bubby. Oh, say hi, Kobe. Hi. Oh, okay, not to me. Oh, okay. I will talk to you guys in the morning. I will probably get ready and come on and tell you guys what's happening. So good night, see you in a bit. Good morning. So today I am looking quite the opposite than when I left you last night. Last night I looked quite slothy, and right now I hope it's a sight for sore eyes. I still have just a little bit of getting ready to do. I've been up since I would say 5:30 getting ready, and I forget how long it takes me to get ready, especially because I haven't been getting ready with a purpose. Like, I've just been doing it on my own pace and with my own plans. So the fact that I have to be ready for a certain time, I just feel a little bit like overwhelmed. It's been some time is all I'm saying. Getting ready, it's not really a problem. I still have to put on my jewelry, so I thought I could just talk to you and update you while I do that. I feel like it's going to be a busy day even though I'm all the way here in Florida and the wedding is in Toronto. So I guess this is like the definition of a quarantine wedding where, hold on, let me get everything out so I'm not rustling. So, what was I saying? I think it's going to be quite different attending a wedding in quarantine, and especially being a bridesmaid. I am kind of at an impasse of what I'm supposed to do, but have the live stream open, so hopefully once it starts I can start watching. I have my phone nearby, so in case anyone wants to FaceTime me for anything, I'm available. And I also have like a cute little like time set up with Komul, who's the bride, and we'll be watching the Bharat together. So while everyone is out jamming out and dancing and welcoming the groom, her and I will watch the live stream together, and that will be like our special time. So I think that's really, really nice, and I'm glad I'm able to do so. Also, I had the measurements set out for this suit at the start of quarantine, and although we've cooked a lot and baked a lot, it's actually loose on me, so I guess that's a good sign. So that's my plan for today, is to just hang out in this outfit at home, chill, eat on my own, just kind of, you know, enjoy the day, enjoy the festivities. So that's what's up. Other than that, it's Friday, so I don't even know where this week has gone. It's been like Halloween came and left, and then I've been working on the giveaway, so if you hadn't had a chance to check out the giveaway, we've had quite a few for Diwali. Hopefully you had a chance to enter, and by the time you watch this video, the giveaway will be done. So if you're not following me on Instagram, do so. It's been quite a journey for me on there, and I do a lot of like beauty related posts and health related posts on there, and a lot of my cooking and stuff I know you guys are interested in seeing here, but quick recipes and stuff go up there first. So yeah, it's worth checking out if you haven't had a chance to do so. I feel like I could do glam looks all day long, but there's no glam like Indian glam, you know? Like I just feel like Princess Jasmine in this color. And then with the jewelry and the gold tones, it's everything. It makes me so happy. Right, so what are your plans for the weekend? I feel like this weekend for us, we're going to be at home, attending a few Zoom meetings and just like hanging out. I want to possibly start kind of organizing my house for Diwali. Even though we won't be celebrating here, we'll be going to my in-laws. I definitely feel like I still want to do something at home. So I will definitely do that before next weekend and just kind of decorate the house. And like, this is our first Diwali here properly together, so I'm gonna make the most of it. And actually, going back to the wedding, I know I'm jumping like back and forth on topics. Look at this cute mug Komul had made for us. Like, this is so pretty and so cute. It has my name on it. It says Priya. Can you read that? I don't know if you can read that. It says Priya. And this is gonna be my vessel of drinking today. I guess this is like being a bridesmaid in quarantine and like during COVID, like this is, I guess, the new normal, where wherever we are in the world, I guess we have the option of still being a bridesmaid. So I'm really excited about that. And I have my jewelry on. I do have to put on a ring and an anklet, but I think I'm gonna pass on the anklet right now and I'll put it on later. I don't really know what hand the ring is supposed to go on, but I think I'm gonna put it, how's this? This? Or should I put it on this hand? Yeah, maybe I'll put it on this hand since I have the dupatta on this hand. Yeah, I really like that. So as you can see, it's a very pretty blue, very complementary to our brown skin tone. And then this white is just the perfect pop of color with these tropical floral prints. You can see that it has like these like baubles right here that are so cute. I mentioned them last night as well. I love this. This is probably my favorite part, even though the dupatta is stunning. I think these little tiny details is what makes an outfit pop. I definitely want to put on some perfume. Anytime that there's a special event or, you know, you're going out or anything like that, I feel like perfume is just something that has been kind of transformative for me. It also takes me back to a very specific memory that I've had. Like this perfume that I'm using today, it's the Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede. This was my wedding day scent. So I've used it prior to my wedding, but when I used it at my wedding and now that I use it anytime after, it just fully makes me feel the same sort of energy. Like I feel all the love, the happiness. It's kind of like connected to the scent. Jo Malone does no wrong. So if you haven't had a chance to check out any of the Jo Malone scents, do so. They're all so good. So that being said, I am going to go get my coffee and sit down and enjoy this live stream. I'm going to be putting it in this tumbler, but yeah, I don't know how much I'll get to update you throughout the actual festivities, but if I can, I'm sure I will. Okay, Vaughn. Hi. Oh my goodness.
Oh, sit back down.
Say hi to my vlog. I'm vlogging my bridesmaids experience.
Oh my god, you're taking this. I love you. Oh my god.
Oh, congratulations. Yes. Oh my god. I'm like out here in my kitchen like,
I know.
let's dance.
Yeah, I got
Yeah, I'll take that there. Nice. So how's your morning? Yeah, of course. Oh yeah, let me help you. Oh, yeah. Get your coffee. I'm gonna make my coffee too. Oh, coffee with the bride.
Coffee with Gomi.
Coffee with Peony instead of Karan. That's so funny. All right, so it's kind of the end of the night and I haven't really caught up with you guys, so I wanted to tell you how the day went. The day was very busy, even though I was at home watching the wedding on their live stream link. I felt like I was still part of the celebrations and I was still getting time to spend with the bride, as you might have seen. So it was really special. But once the wedding ended, I had to do a quick grocery run. We made food. We actually made burritos today. And Everything was really good. So before I go, I actually wanted to show you one more thing that I've been using. And I recently had a really large pimple, you may remember it, and it's left a super dark spot. I was sent these stickers from this company called Zitsticka that has micro darts on it, which actually hold the active ingredient in the darts. And then when you place it on your skin, the darts go into the first layer of your skin and penetrate and deposit the product in there, so the product works faster and better and more effectively. And you're supposed to use this 3 times a week up to 4 weeks and then see the results. So I have applied this twice before now. This will be my 3rd time, and I thought I could show you. They come in these little packages right here, and basically it has hyaluronic acid, kojic acid, niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin, licorice root extract. So it has a lot of good ingredients that are great for targeting dark spots, hyperpigmentation, etc. So I am testing these out. As you can see, the packaging is like a Russian nesting doll. It's like one after another. So this is the second part to it. It's very, very hygienic. So that is a good thing. Because I'm only treating one spot, I think this is kind of feasible. If you had multiple spots, maybe like if you were using it on 2 to 3 spots, I think it might be too excessive. And so basically I take that and I place it onto the dark spot I do have. So for me, luckily it's the one that I'm trying to target. So I just kind of center it and then I gently press the darts in, and you can feel them kind of piercing in, but it's not painful. It's very, very gentle. And once you're done, you kind of have a sticker on your forehead. Hashtag Coachella Take Me Back season. Okay, so it's on. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not. Leave me a comment down below. What are your plans for Diwali? I hope you have a wonderful time celebrating. May this year bring you lots of joy, prosperity, and lots of love. And I can't wait to see what this new year brings us. And on that note, I will see you guys later.